About 30 days ago, I uploaded my very first video on this channel, which I started from absolute zero. Zero views, zero subscribers, zero watch time, everything zero. Today, I'm doing what most YouTubers wait years to do. I'm showing you the unfiltered analytics of my channel after 1 month of late night recording and editing, designing thumbnails, researching trends, and trying so hard to understand how the YouTube algorithm actually works. I'm showing you every view, every subscriber, the watch time, and the most important question of all, how much money has this channel actually made? The answer might not be what you expected and will probably surprise you. Let's get into it. So this is the analytics of this channel so far. In 1 month, this channel managed to get 6,963 views. For the watch time, which is how many hours viewers have watched my content, this channel managed to get about 37 hours. Before you can get monetized and join the YouTube partner program, you need to get 4,000 hours of watch time. And now this channel has only just about 0.9% of that. And for the subscribers, this is not just a number. These are my heroes. And I want to take a moment to thank you guys all. Really, thank you guys for giving me a chance and betting on me. You are the burning fuel that pushes me to keep going. Now, if you come to content, then click on all. Let's scroll down. This channel managed to get over 60,000 impressions, and this is quite impressive for a channel that is about 1 month old. This means that YouTube is recommending and showing my videos to more and more people. If we come to the right and see how viewers find this channel, you will realize that most of the viewers are coming from YouTube search, which means that this channel is optimized for search, and when viewers search for content on YouTube, they find my content easily. I don't know if this is a good thing because I need more viewers coming from browse features and suggested videos. So this is something I'm going to be working on in the coming days. Now, if you go to audience, you can see that more and more people are discovering and visiting this channel. And if we scroll down and look at where my viewers are coming from, you can see that majority are coming from India, United States, Brazil, Ghana, Pakistan, and others. I want to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you for visiting my channel and engaging with my content. And now to the most important question. After 1 month of hard work, 30 video uploads, over 6,000 views, and about 37 watch hours, how much money has this channel made so far? And the answer is $0, 0 cents. To get monetized and start earning on YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and either of the following: 4,000 valid public watch hours or 90 million short views. And clearly, we are far from these requirements. So, was it a complete waste of time? Was it worth it? Am I going to quit? The answer is absolutely not. The first month was never about the money. The goal for the first month was to build a solid foundation for the channel and learn what's working so I can build on it in the coming months. In the next 30 days, I'm going to double down on the videos and the things that actually worked. And hopefully, by the time I do another video on this topic, we're going to see some huge growth. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my subscribers and all the people who have watched and learned from this channel so far. You are the early adopters. You are the foundation to this channel. You trusted and gave this channel a chance. And my goal is to create better content and give you value for your time and trust. That is what is most important. So that is the 1 month reality. I've put in more work, time, and investment on this channel, but the growth, it is slow and not profitable yet. But what is important is that we are building something real. If you're also on this journey too, whether on day 1 or day 500, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. And in a few months from now, we will look back at this video and we will be proud of the things that we will have accomplished. But before you leave to watch another video of mine, I want you to go to the comment section down below and write out the single biggest thing that you have learned on your YouTube journey so far. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.